Ayan. Merong storm. Kumukulog kanina nung kakalis namin.
Umulan ata na doon. Siguro
Ayan,
punta na dito. Here. On that side.
Bakit ka nakasimangot? Ayaw mo siguro ako
Hindi.
makita.
Kumain na kami kanina. Nag-edit ako eh.
Ayaw mo siguro makita.
Yan si May, Brayden, May Brayden.
Dali lang, itsura ko.
Nga mo, maganda ka pa rin. Kasi nakita kita.
Ay, naku na kasi. Kahit siguro mo siya sasama dito pag ayaw
Naku! Ayaw.
Kasi mangot ako.
Hindi, nag-shift ng kagabi. Puyat yan, puyat. Wala pang tulog.
Wala ba kung tulog? Tulog ko putol-putol. Tig-isang oras.
Hey, Tyler.
Hi, Tyler.
Is it okay, the vlog?
Okay.
Yeah.
Long time
Okay.
no see.
How's it going?
But now see now?
Sure.
So, Papa, nag-file ka na din para next ano?
Yeah.
You file your leave for our camping.
Yeah.
I didn't pick up any shift.
Oh, okay. So, you're just casual?
Casual.
I shouldn't say just. Casual.
Yeah. So, how's everything going?
Good.
Good?
Yeah, we're just same as usual, busy. Not enough minutes or seconds in the day.
Yeah. All right. We have kombucha. So we're
Bigat na kitchen kay.
getting ready, right?
No work.
Hello, Satin.
Hi, tita.
How are you doing?
Mortgage
Good.
Yan, wala mortgage.
Try
Wala
some?
mortgage. Kaya kailangan magtrabaho.
It's like pop,
Yeah.
Sabi ko kanina,
It's like
money
pop.
So,
mortgage, pang patay yun.
but it's good for you though.
Ano?
Mortgage.
Di ba pang patay yun?
Ang alin?
Mortgage.
Yung mortgage.
Mortgage?
Yung mortgage pala.
Yung mortgage. Yung mortgage. Kumusta yung mga travel mo? You went somewhere, right? Lots of places?
Yeah. Ano lang.
Who? Sa team?
Oo.
Yeah, that's right. She went to Paris.
Paris?
We went to
Grabe to.
Port ano?
Kami, Paris lang yung
How's
nila.
Philippines?
Sino,
You like
pinupunta.
it?
It was
Oh yeah, you went to Philippines?
well before we left, all the kids were like, "Oh,
Ah.
Tyler, you're gonna die. It's so hot there." But
But-
guess who was the only one that didn't die?
Did you go?
You.
No.
Did you go to
Me,
Boracay?
I like the heat.
And you like the heat.
Yeah, tita.
Alas 10, di ba mainit trick na sa atin araw?
Mm.
10 a.m. to from 10 a.m. to 3 o'clock. He was wandering
ka?
around like
You're
all
so
over the
payat
place.
na.
Like, just
Filipino
Oh,
are hiding.
he's playing soccer
We're hiding in our room.
Wow.
Come on,
How is it?
Han. Come on, Han.
in basketball.
Filipino are
Yeah.
hiding.
I don't relax. I have to get the most, especially like I have to make the most out of right. I have to accomplish.
How long did you guys stay there?
3 weeks.
Only three.
Well, we
Oh yeah, just
so-
like sila di ba? Sam and Michelle.
Yeah.
so we did
Iloilo.
we did the wedding.
Saan kayo? Where did you stay? In
Nobody
Manila?
and then, yeah.
We did the wedding, and
Yeah.
then we took Molly and Jeff Boy
Yeah.
and Alistair and his friend Tristan
Sit down there.
and Satine.
So you've been
and Gabby,
vlog.
and we all
In
went
the vlog.
we all went to Boracay
Oh.
and we stayed at the Two Seasons.
2 seasons?
It was a very nice resort,
Where you going?
and
Manananta.
How long did you stay in Boracay?
we just stayed 3 days,
3 days, yeah.
2 nights.
Sa movie.
Yeah.
And then because Alistair had to go home,
Yeah.
and Molly and Jeff Boy, that's all they wanted to stay
Sino
too.
artista?
Yeah.
And so
Basta
then
ano yun yung libro?
they went
Ano, akala ko Filipino movie.
on
Hindi.
on their way,
Diba
and
yun tayo,
then
ano
me,
yun
May,
Parang
and
Unhappy
Satine
for
and
you.
Gabby
Yeah.
all went to
Iyak ko pa rin yun eh. Iyak na ako.
Cebu?
Hindi pa nakikita.
Cebu.
Cebu.
Mall ball. Mall
That's
ball.
where I was born. Cebu.
Really?
Yeah, I was born in Cebu.
We traveled down
Cebu
to
City. But I grew up in Manila.
It
to
ends with us. Parang
Mohol,
gusto kong
Mohol,
panoorin.
Bohol.
Bohol?
Iyak daw.
Oh yeah.
Mall. Mall ball. No,
Pinaprotect
not
ko yung
mall.
sarili ko.
Not
Dala ka ng
mall.
tissue.
Bohol, Bohol?
City.
Uy,
Mall ball.
start na tayo.
Oh yeah.
So
sige.
Boracay
Oh.
wasn't really, because Boracay, when you look into it, it's very touristy. It's like Mexico,
Yeah.
right? It's a lot of supposed to be nightclubs and you know.
Mhm.
But I didn't mind it.
Yeah.
It
Boracay is really good actually.
It
We
wasn't-
stay at the station 1.
Station 1, yeah.
We,
That's the party
I picked
station.
the
No.
The
we're
middle
way
one.
Down, we're way down at the
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
resorts
This-
get more expensive.
Yeah, the second one was party.
station 2 and 3 is the most the part where the
Yeah.
party always like, you know,
Yeah.
go in.
We splurged. We spent money on the high end resorts. She booked us.
All private transfer,
So we did a private transfer.
everything.
It was, and
You-
so they picked us up at the airport. They won't
Yeah.
let you touch your luggage, and then we drive to the boat to the marina.
Yes.
And everyone is waiting in lines, and they got fans going, and they're all everyone's trying to figure out how they're getting there, and we just go ripping right by everyone, and then they just hold your hand out, and they just right into this boat, and then like 2 minutes, like literally 2 minutes boat ride, and we were at Boracay, and then in a van, and right to our resort, where they welcome you with a drink. It was like, it took, the whole thing took like 20 minutes. It was insane.
20 minutes?
And
Tyler.
so, what?
Can you drop me off really quick?
I guess so.
I guess so.
Where are you going?
Mananood to.
Sini? Ano
Tita,
pangalan
look
mo?
what happened.
Napanood mo yung yung
Ouch! Why? What
to watch Wolverine?
What happened that one?
Oh, that's nice.
Sa bato.
Oh, mine!
Was the iPhone what?
13 lang naman po.
Magbilang ka ng jacket
okay
kasi
lang.
mo.
Drive.
We'll wait for you, hon. Sorry.
We'll look at pictures after when we get back.
Ha? Ito
Katabi kami.
Ha?
Mag-falling line daw eh. Nak, mag-jacket ka, anak. Mamaya mag-sleep over ka ba?
Yeah.
Diretso ka na sleep over?
Yeah.
Hotel to Tyler.
Sleepover sa boyfriend niya?
Hindi, wala pang boyfriend yan.
Ready? It's loud.
Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah.
So if you like,
like a
that,
firework.
that bear is not gonna hang around.
It's like a firework.
Yes.
Wow, it's too loud and that one is just too small.
And that can be fatal to human too. Yan na, wala ang bag dito. Wala. Walang bag. Yan ang bag. Wala tayong bag. Paano tayo ng bag doon? Yan. Ito yung Save on Foods, mga ka-vlogs. Oh. Yan. Tayo. Look. There's a mouse. I'm gonna take a video. There's a mouse. Oh wait, it went inside. It went inside. Mga lumang ano natin, napanood natin, lumang vlog, mga more than 2 years na pala tayo nagba-vlog. Ayan, na-monetize tayo, tapos na-reuse content tayo. Hindi pala dapat ganun. Natuto rin ako dahil yun din ang gusto ko mangyari. Yung experience mo is will teach you what not to do and what to do. Yan. So, natuto tayong yung mga policy. Ang dami naman kasing reading. Tapos, pagka hindi mo na-experience, hindi ako yung tipong nabasa ko, makalimutan ko lang din. Unless na ginawa mo or na-experience mo. Kaya nahirap din yung pasalan ng basa. Basa ka out loud siguro din para alam mo yung pronunciation ng mga words. Yan. So, tayo, no? It's first day, Monday, ating vacation, 2 weeks. It's a lazy day for me. And kahapon nandun tayo sa Vanderhoof this weekend. Kahapon nata. Kahapon ba yung kami pumunta? Yeah, Sunday. Sarado nga lang yung yung aquatic center sa dun sa Vanderhoof. Yeah.
The next day.
How you doing? Mga ka-vlog Vlogs, kumusta na? Ito, okay lang ako. So sa ngayon nandito lang tayo, no? Buhay sa Canada. Ano ang totoong buhay ng mga Pinoy dito? Yan. Kumusta mga kabayan? Sa video na ito, pag-usapan natin ang buhay sa Canada, ang mga karanasan, mga hamon, ang mga bagay na dapat mong malaman bago ka lumipat dito. Tara na, alamin natin. Kung iniisip mong lumipat sa Canada, malamang maraming tanong ang pumapasok sa isip mo. Ano nga ba ang buhay dito? Anong klaseng trabaho ang maasahan pa tayo? So, kumusta mga kabayan? Ang mga karanasan, hamon at mga bagay ang dapat mong malaman bago ka lumipat dito. Kung iniisip mong lumipat sa Canada, malamang maraming tanong ang pumapasok sa isip mo. Ano nga ba ang buhay dito? Anong klaseng trabaho ang maasahan? Paano ang kultura at klima? Alamin natin. Daily life in Canada. Ang araw-araw na buhay sa Canada ay puno ng mga routine, activities mula sa trabaho, eskwela at mga gawaing bahay. May mga malalaking supermarkets, maayos na public transportation at magagandang parks at kung saan pwedeng mag-relax, maayos at tahimik ang pamumuhay dito. Pero syempre may mga adjustment lalo na sa weather at sa kultura. Regarding work and career opportunities, isa sa mga pangunahing dahilan kung bakit marami ang lumilipat sa Canada ay ang mga career opportunities. Maraming trabaho para sa iba't ibang profesyon mula healthcare, IT, engineering hanggang sa mga skilled trades. Maganda ang work-life balance dito. Ngunit kailangan handa kang magsimula sa entry-level positions, lalo na kung bago ka pa sa bansa. Yan. Cultural differences and adjustments. Yan. Sa Canada, multicultural ang environment. Magiging bahagi ka ng isang melting pot ng iba't ibang lahi at kultura. Bagay na nakaka-excite pero minsan challenging din. Post on camera. Tanggapin ang pagkakaiba, maging bukas sa bagong karanasan, maging open-minded at matutong respetuhin ang iba't ibang pananaw. Lalo na ngayon at nasa woke na tayo. So, yung mga gender equality, ganyan, pride. So, challenges of living in Canada. Yan. Hindi lahat ay madali. Maraming hamon, lalo na sa mga bagong dating. Ang matinding lamig ng winter, ang homesickness at ang pressure na magtagumpay. Yan. Especially yung mga nangungumustang. Kala nila okay ka na dito sa Canada. Kailangan mong mag-say no, learn how to say no. Yan. Tandaan na bahagi ito ng proseso. Kapag nalampasan mo ito, tiyak na magiging rewarding ang experience mo. Yan. Tapos, tips sa mga newcomers, no? Para sa mga bagong dating, mahalaga ang pag-a-adjust, magplano ng mabuti, maghanap ng support team, at huwag mahiyang humingi ng tulong. Yan. Magkaroon ng tamang mindset at maging handa sa mga pagbabago. Kaya mo yan, kabayan. So, final thoughts and closing. Ang buhay sa Canada ay hindi naging madali. Pero kung handa ka at may determinasyon, magiging maganda ang kinabukasan mo rito. Salamat sa panonood at kung may mga tanong ka sa tungkol sa buhay sa Canada, i-comment mo lang sa ibaba. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about life abroad. Kita-kita ulit sa susunod na episode. Ayos!